You so beautiful and I guess you already know that. I gotta take out this do-rag. You so hot when you step in the room, move back. I gotta do what I do best. I say you out, can I hold back? I tell my mom I'm bringing you back. Then I lost your number, how'd I do that? In 3 days, and we hanging out. Put my head out the window, I'm hanging out. I call my bro just to help me out. Process everything, cause I hope I'm not tripping out.
Sambolani dumelang apsheni hello hey. Sambolani dumelang apsheni hello. What's poppin', guys? It's your girl Antoinette, and I'm back with another video. Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Today is the 29th of May. Guys, go and vote. Go and vote. Go do the right things, the things that need to be done. Because listen, after the 29th, after today, guys, watch
load shedding still exists.
load shedding. You know how it is. You know how it is. You know how it is. So do the right things. Vote for the right political party. You know, I did it. I did. My pajamas are even skew. Anyways, guys, make sure you go vote. Do the right things. Make our country proud. I had a business lunch with a friend, so right now I'm actually doing chores. And I'm gonna prep myself, get ready and everything, and head out. But I hope everyone's doing good. The grace of God has been upon you this beautiful week. I'm thirsty. Wait, I'm thirsty. This is the crazy thing. I'm not supposed to be drinking this because that's why. But you know, when you're really thirsty, guys, you know, when you're really thirsty, and you just gotta do what you gotta do. Was she? It's hitting me in all the right places. Delicious. Cheers, y'all. Jasmiriza, what's popping? What's popping?
What's up, gang? Hey, my passports. I mean, hey.
There's the birthday girl.
2 times for the birthday girl.
So guys, shortly after that, I remembered I had driving lessons. So this is me going for my driving lessons. Tell me how you think I drive.
Too much driving now. That's perfect. Very perfect, you know.
So guys, I actually went to go change because I need to do a quick workout before I get onto my chores and before I leave the house too. So come along with me because health is wealth. Let's go, guys.
Kind of. And to exercise, mama. And to exercise.
Hey guys, I come back. So I just had my shower, and before I take you guys along with me on my lunch date, let me give you a full outfit fit. So this is my outfit. So I am wearing this hoodie from Temu. Guys, this was 95 rand. Jeans in my sister's closet. Mona, if you're watching this, sorry. Nike sneakers, and my bag is Daniel Hitcher. So let's go to brunch. Good morning. How are you doing?
So this was my plate. I ordered an English breakfast, and this was Claudia's. She ordered toast, some salmon and avocado.
Oh, we just went out to dinner with his friend from high school and his partner. What is it for an unpaid? You know, on lunch break, other people. With other people? No, but we're not. I don't know how I can describe it.
So unfortunately, guys, I had to mute this specific part because the conversation was getting a little too deep and personal, but I really did enjoy speaking about relationships. For you who don't already know, Claudia has a business called She and I, and this is a business that caters for bath and body care solutions formulated especially for dry skin. So make sure you visit her website.
Boss lady. Entering the car. And it looks so nice. Oh, it looks so nice. G-Wagon. G-Wagon. Bye.
So straight after my brunch date, I headed over to the mall because I had quite a few things that I needed to do. So come along with me as I take you guys to the mall with me.
So guys, a lot of the shops are actually closed because people are waiting to go vote. I hope the shop that we're going to is not closed because yeah, so there's Checkers, we're going to Clicks, it's on that side. So let us go. I'm looking for treatment. Because I think I don't know if it's this one. No, it wasn't this one.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not that one. No, it wasn't. It wasn't this one on me.
So I bought a few things at Clicks, and then I headed over to Jet to see what they have for winter. So come along with me as I try on some clothes.
So guys, my baby sister's gonna help me pick an outfit, and we're gonna see who comes up with a better outfit, her or me. So guys, I have my outfits. My sister also has an outfit. Let's see who's a better fashionista, Naomi or Antoinette. Let's go. Don't come inside. Don't come inside. Stay there. Stay there. Bye. So guys, this is my first outfit. Now I don't know, I had a vision, but something is just not combinating. So I don't know if I should do it like this. Like this. But it looks weird like this. I don't know, but it's not giving what it's supposed to be giving, if you know what I mean. I think this outfit is giving, like, this is a cute winter fit with some nice, like, really short boots, some nice jeggings. It's here in the right places. So I actually like this. No, I said I'll try with the coat on. No, we want this. I mean, it could be a cute outfit. What is this? No, it's just the size of the shirt.
And so the modeling continued to Checkers. After Jet, we headed over to Checkers to get a few things, and this is me doing my thing, doing the walk, my walk.
So guys, I'm currently looking for hair treatment. I want to treat my hair, so we're here in the hair section. So I'm not really a coffee person, but I actually want something here. It's 55 rand, so I don't know which one I want. Vanilla, cappuccino, which one? Okay, let me stop.
It was a beautiful and a productive day. I ended up going home as we celebrated my sister's birthday today. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.